Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through an easy step-by-step guide on how to activate Capitec app without going to the bank. So here is a easy workaround on how you can easily do that. So download the Capitec app. So to do that, go to the Play Store or your Apple Store, decide for the Capitec Bank app and install it to your device. Then open the app and register. So enter the cell phone number, use the same number links to your Capitec account, then set remote PIN, and this will be used to log in and authorize transaction. Then scan your face or use your phone's camera to take a selfie. Then make sure there is a good lighting and your face is clearly visible, and this is used to verify your identity. Then after that, you have to enter your ID number and your account information. So the app will ask for your South African ID number and a few account details. Then you also receive OTP PIN, like a one-time PIN. You will get a notification SMS, enter the code into the app, then app is activated. So when you verify, your Capitec app will be activated and ready to use. And that's how you can activate Capitec app without going to the bank. Hope you find the video helpful. Give it a turn on the notification button and subscribe for more.